Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This video is kindly sponsored by Amino, so stick around to the end to hear about a fun new way that you can meet pen pals. And I really hope that you enjoy the video. So let's get started.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
excited to announce that Amino Apps is sponsoring this video. I have been using the Amino Apps for quite a few years now. I've used Crafty and Vegan, and Amino Apps found me on Crafty and let me know that they had launched a Pen Pals Amino. So Amino is a great place to connect with people who share your interests, and it's a community for every sort of interest that you can possibly imagine. So I'll show you the Amino app, the Pen Pals Amino, sorry. So as you can see here, when you open the Pen Pals Amino app, you can see introductions from people who are looking for pen pals. And if I click here, you'll see what's happening now, and you'll see all the people who are online. So currently there are 16 members online, and there are 5 people chatting, 1 member voting on polls. Let's see what that is. Hair colour. I'm not quite sure what that is, but 6 people reading posts, 13 members browsing. And what you can do is you can chat to people on here. So here I am, and this brings you to my profile, and it shows you things that I have posted. And now we'll go to the menu, and we'll see that there's always something to do on Amino, and there's lots of like-minded people. So you can send in photos or make posts of letters that you've sent or received. As you can see here, Brittany McCowan has uploaded one of her videos on here. I love Brittany, she's so lovely. We collaborated in a video last year. And there's another poll that's been posted here. So you can really post about anything pen pal related. And as you continue to scroll, oh, there's my post. As you continue to scroll through, you see that there are a lot of people out there who are really passionate about pen paling, and it's great that they've got the Amino platform to find pen pals and publish photos of what they've sent, and to discuss anything pen pal related. So if we go to the main page of the Pen Pal Amino app, you'll see that there are a lot of people who are introducing themselves and looking for pen pals. So we'll go to more featured posts. So we have this person here, KB. He says, "Hey, this is my intro to myself. Japanese flag." And she's just giving some facts about herself, her interests, things she doesn't like, and what she's looking for in a pen pal. So it's really great because you can put an in-depth description into what you're looking for in a pen pal, and you'll find someone who meets the criteria. So as you can see here, there are quite a few people who are giving introductions and looking for pen pals. So this person's saying that they're 17 years old and from Canada, and they like My Chemical Romance, Muse. You can really go into depth with what you're looking for and talking about yourself. So it's a really great way to put yourself out there for pen pals. So Amino generally has all the features that you could possibly want out of a pen pal community. because there are so many different like-minded individuals who are looking to meet pen pals and share things that they have created. So now we're going to have a look at the chat rooms. So as you can see here, there's so many different topics of the chat rooms. There's poetry, people who are looking for pen pals who are into poetry, a general chat room, chat here, people who are looking for pen pals who are aged 14 to 17, people who are into anime, people who are into Japanese music or looking for pen pals in Japan, people who are into K-pop, and it's so easy to just access any chat and start talking to people who are interested in the same things as you. So if you're looking for a new way to make pen pals, then I heartily recommend Pen Pals Amino. I'll leave a link to mine down below so you can jump on there and find me, and you can come and say hey and we can be friends. So there's also events in the Pen Pal Amino community. So we've got some events and challenges. So we've got this short stories challenge. Hello, I am Lil Art Girl. I made a poll 2 days ago to see what type of challenge I should make, so here we go. The description for this challenge is, for 2 weeks, come up with a short story to entertain your pen pal. It can be mixed with your imagination and how your day went in real life. So if you're interested, you should definitely jump on there and check that out. And definitely comment on posts you see that interest you, because it may be a new way that you can meet a pen pal. So I really hope you enjoy using Pen Pals Amino. And as I said before, come on there and say hello to me and let's be friends.